If your Google Chrome search results, menus, or browser interface are showing in the wrong language, and you want to switch everything back to English, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change Google Chrome search language to English in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy fix, and once you do it, Chrome will feel a lot more familiar and much easier to use. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you usually launch it. Once Chrome opens, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots icon, which is the main menu for Chrome. Click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can change all kinds of browser preferences, including language options. On the settings page, look at the menu on the left side. If you don't see it right away, just take a moment to find it. Click on Languages from that left-hand menu. Now you're in the language settings area. This is where Chrome lets you manage the languages it uses for the browser interface and translation features. To add English, click on Add Languages. A small window will appear with a list of available languages. In the search box, type English. You should see a few options appear. For this tutorial, choose English United States, then click Add. Chrome will now add English to your list of languages. Once it's added, you'll see it appear in your language list inside Chrome settings. This is the important part. Next to English, click the three dots. A small menu will open with several options. From that menu, select Display Google Chrome in this language. This tells Chrome that you want the browser interface to use English. In many cases, Chrome will immediately prompt you to relaunch the browser so the change can take effect. If you see that prompt, simply click Relaunch. Chrome will close and reopen, and when it comes back, the interface should now be in English. If it doesn't switch right away, don't worry. Just go back into the language settings and make sure English is set as the display language. Sometimes Chrome needs that relaunch before the change fully applies. After that, your Chrome menus and language display should be much easier to understand. And that's it. You've successfully changed Google Chrome search language to English. This is a really useful setting if Chrome was defaulting to another language or if you're helping someone get their browser back to a language they're comfortable with. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.